もう、そこの音楽だが、まあ、もうペーストと国のビデオが実施や、僕とでが、ちょっと一緒の、ちょっとできるからさ。No, appunto non può dire dopo un po' no, le cose provvisate che se ne vuol dire casale non parlare poi hanno porcicere Judgment. Middle Oggi mi immagino se parla di lost in group new lost I can look for a spot in your session look you know what's number there's no judgment as pronouncement wouldn't it failing is not even do a woman people didn't do the bench one is all like that but the lecture
For judgment, item number 1. On behalf of the division. Not in consideration that the accused being in the cooperating with the trial of the case by regularly appearing before the trial court, we are unable to agree with the submission of the learned counsel for the appellant for setting aside the bail order that is shown so by the learned special judge NIA Dimapur. The appeal being devoid of merit stands dismissed, no cost. For judgment, item number 2. Who is also seen? Similar order. The appeal being devoid of merit stands dismissed, no cost.
pronouncement of judgment, item number 1.
This is United Indian Insurance Company.
Lordship.
Yes. In view of the above facts and circumstances of the case and the submission made by the land council for the parties and for the reason that what has been discussed above, the impugned judgment and award dated 21/7/2010 passed by the land member MSCT FTC Sibsagar in MSC city case number so and so, in my considered view, does not require any interference. Accordingly, the appeal being devoid of merit is dismissed. No other is to cost.
Obliged.
Obliged. Yes.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9. Lordship, in this matter, I'm yet to receive instruction. If
Council not yet filed.
yes,
Hmm.
if 3 weeks time can be granted, my lord.
Okay. Mr. L. Iralu, Land Council for the petitioner is present. Mr. Angami, Land Council appearing on behalf of the state respondent. Prays for how much time?
3 weeks time.
Further 3 weeks time to obtain instruction and to file affidavit. Okay,
Interim may be continued.
stop, huh? Para, the interim order pass earlier shall continue till then.
May I please, my lord?
Yes,
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 2. In this matter, your lordship, I am for respondent number 1.
yes.
If some time can be granted to us, my lord.
Miss,
Upang
Land Council for the petitioner is present. Mr. Angami, Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1. Press for
3 weeks
granting
time.
3 weeks time.
Yes.
For what?
Lordship, the MRC has returned back the documents of the petitioners,
Hmm.
and I have been informed
Hmm.
that the department is, after necessary verification, is sending it back to the government to be placed before the MRC. So it will take some time, my lord.
So do we need to record that?
No, your lordship, if 3 weeks time can be granted, so we can place the necessary things before the
Okay.
MRC, my lord.
To place the necessary?
No, if 3 weeks time can be granted so that the department can place those verifications that is needed by the MRC.
Okay. For the 3 weeks time for placing the for verification
Verification
of the
done of documents of the petitioners.
okay, you have placed the documents of the petitioner before the government and
No, it was placed before,
Hmm.
but MRC has returned it back
Hmm.
to the government for certain verifications. And the department, after verifying those, is sending it back to the government.
okay, no need to record. No?
Yes.
Okay. 3 weeks is prayed for by the land council for the respondent. List is matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, the lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1, lordship. Lordship, if this matter can come up after 2 weeks, lordship.
After 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Why it was fixed for?
Lordship, it was fixed for hearing, lordship.
Okay.
Interim may be continued.
Supporting with the Warring Land Council for the revision petitioner is present. Staff. Mr. Jimomi, Land Council for the state, prays for 2 weeks, 2 weeks times. The prayer is allowed. List is made after 2 weeks. The interim order pass earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item number 5, lordship. Here, lordship, I'm for the state respondent. Here, I'm here to file my affidavit, lordship.
Affidavit in opposition not yet filed.
Lordship, in fact, I have received the instruction, but however, I need some documents to annex in my petition, lordship. So I'm waiting for that.
No
documents.
objection.
Okay. Mr. Satyagar, Land Council for the petitioner. The appellant is present. Stop. Mr. Jimomi, Land Council appearing on behalf of the state respondent. Prays for
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to
No.
file affidavit in opposition. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
May I briefly state, I'm for the respondent 8, IOCL.
Oh, you are,
I'm for the respondent number 8, IOCL.
okay,
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 9 and 10.
okay. Mr. Jimom counsel for the state respondent. And
Borwa for
Bora for
respondent 8, IOCL.
Mr. For respondent number 8 and Mr.
CD rooms for 9 and 10.
For respondent number 9, 10 are present. Is prayed for by the Lana counsel for the respondent. List this matter after.
8 July.
List this matter on 8 July. Okay.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 13, 14, and 15, Lordship. It's an analogous matter. Lordship, here the state is.
States awaited, I think.
Lordship. 13, 14, and 15, Lordship. 13, 14.
So have you informed the petitioner?
Lordship.
Have you informed the petitioner?
Lordship. It will be 12, 13, and 14, Lordship. Analogous. The
12.
revised cost list is it's 12, 13, and 14, Lordship. Item 12, 13, and 14. WPC 226.
266. You are mentioning which one, which item? 12 is different. 12 and 11 is different.
Oh, Lordship, then, yes, Lordship. It will be 13, 14, and 15, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship.
Mr.
Kachishi Lordship.
Lana
Appearing on
counsel for
behalf
the
of counsel
petitioner
for
is present. Stop. Mr. Ejimomi, Lana counsel appearing on behalf of the state respondent. Praise for
3 weeks time, Lordship.
3 weeks time for what?
To file affidavit, Lordship.
For further 3 weeks time for filing affidavit. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item 16, Lordship. Here I'm here to receive instruction, Lordship. So if,
Yes, state not yet file affidavit here
yes,
also.
Lordship. I'm here to receive instruction.
Lordship, in this matter, my client is under lots of pressure because all the debt he took for this project. So this is my humble request to both this honorable court and the learned counsel for the respondent to complete this matter as soon as possible.
Lordship, I'm here to receive instruction, Lordship.
You have to file.
Yes,
And-
Lordship.
What lot of pressure you are getting?
Lordship,
What is this matter about?
it's
This is
about
the
the contract work which my client completed and is waiting for the pending bill.
Waiting for?
His pending bill.
Okay. Mr.
Yakasumi.
Land Council for the petitioner is present. Mr. Jimomi, Land Council appearing on behalf of the state respondent. Prays for further 3 weeks time to file. It take 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
Because earlier also you have already taken
Lordship, in fact, I haven't received instruction, Lordship,
Okay.
from the state.
further 3 weeks time to obtain instruction and to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, I take commission item number 17. Let this matter be come out after 3 weeks. My Lord, I have a draft copy of affidavit of opposition is sent for waiting, my Lord. Yes.
17.
17.
Service upon the respondent number 5 return. You, I think, have to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 5.
Your Honor, there is step have been taken.
No, it has returned. Unserved. Seventeen. Mr.
Kampai.
Land Council for the petitioner is present. 17. You are for CG?
Yes, my Lord.
CG.
On for respondent 1, 2, and 3.
Okay, Mr.
That and only one.
Land is CGSC for respondent number 1, 2, and
3, my Lord.
3 are present. Is present, huh? Who is respondent number 5? So you find out the present address of respondent number 5, and he has left the present address. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
The office note dated 21/5/2024 reflect that the service of notice upon respondent number 5 return unserved with a postal remark left. The petitioner shall take fresh steps upon the respondent number 5. You find out, the petitioner shall identify the present address of the respondent number 5 and take fresh steps upon him within a week from today.
Yes, Your Honor.
You take fresh steps.
Boss, please.
List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Boss, please.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18. Your Lordship, we are yet to file my Vakala number, so kindly allow 3 weeks' time.
You also were to take fresh steps.
Lordship, I am for the respondent 1. I am for the respondent 1.
You for respondent number 1.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is for the petitioner? Petitioner has not yet taken fresh steps. Okay. Where is the petitioner?
Your Lordship, it seems it's in court 1. I've taken the consent, Lordship.
You have taken consent,
Yes, Lordship.
but then order need to be passed directing him to take fresh steps. Okay. Mr.
Tushitamjan.
Counsel for the respondent number 1 is present. Stop. The petitioner. So the petitioner has not yet taken a fresh step. Fresh notice yet to be issued. In view of the above, the petitioner is directed to take fresh steps within a week from today. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, item number 19. Lordship, I have instruction to appear for the private respondent, respondent number 4, 19, item 19.
Yeah. Service also awaited, it appears.
Lordship, she is appearing for respondent number 4, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 4 was awaited.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Mohajani. Not much.
3 weeks
I'm
time
sorry,
will be
Lordship.
granted.
I'm solo.
M. Solo, Lana Counsel for the petitioner is present. You are 3 weeks time for what?
3 weeks time to file my affidavit in opposition.
Okay. Miss
Rovimeno,
Lana Counsel.
I'll be filing my vakalatma in the course of the day.
Okay. Miss Swenso, Lana Counsel would appear on behalf of respondent number 4 and submit that she will file a wakalatnama during the course of the days and prays for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 4. You are also?
Lordship, in fact, the matter is handled by Livika, my colleague Livika.
Okay.
And I'm told that she is here to file.
Okay.
So a similar prayer, Malay.
Mr. Angami appearing on behalf of Devika, Lana Counsel for the state respondent, also prays for 2 week times to file affidavit. So is prayed for by the Lana Counsel for the respondent. List this matter after 3 weeks. The prayer, okay, 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 7, Your Lordship. If this matter could come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship, as we are yet to receive instruction from the petitioner, Your Lordship.
You were to file, you prayed for filing reply.
Yes, Your Lordship. We are yet to receive instruction, Your Lordship, from the
Okay.
petitioner, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I'm bringing on behalf of respondent 1, 2, 5, 6, and 8, Your Lordship.
1 to 6.
1, 2, 5, 6, and 8, Your Lordship.
Okay. Miss
LP Chuni, Your Lordship.
Lana Counsel for the petitioner submits that she is yet to receive instruction to file reply to the affidavit filed by the respondent and prays for some time How much time you're praying?
2 weeks time, your lordship.
Prays for further 2 weeks time. Stop. Mr.
Jing Yang Pom on behalf of my senior Yanawati.
Okay. Appearing on behalf of Mr. Yangavati, Rani Council 4. The respondent number 1, 2, 5, and 6.
5, 6, and 8, your lordship.
6 and 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Stop. Is prayed for by the Land Council for the petition at least this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, your lordship.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Your lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 20.
Item.
Hearing item 20, your lordship. Your lordship, as my senior is in this post, I pray that let this matter come after 2 weeks, your lordship.
Mr.
Jing Yang Pom, your lordship. On behalf of my senior Yanawati.
Submits that his senior, Mr. Yangavati, is indisposed and prays for listing this matter after
2 weeks, your lordship.
2 weeks.
Your lordship,
Prayer is allowed.
your lordship, similar prayer to be reflected on item
List
number.
this matter after 2 weeks.
Your lordship, similar prayer be reflected on item 22.
22 also.
Yes, your lordship.
Similar order, huh? He is appearing on behalf of Yangavati, huh? Okay. Yes.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 11 and 12, your lordship. We receive affidavit in opposition only this
Here
morning.
also counter not yet filed.
Yes.
Mm.
We received the affidavit in opposition only this morning, lordship. So kindly grant us 3 weeks time to reply.
Okay. So you have already filed?
No, lordship.
Can't, okay. Mr.
Tupanangam.
Land Council for the petitioner submits that he has just received the affidavit in opposition this morning and prays for some time to go through the same and to file counter,
To find
affidavit and reply if necessary stuff. Okay, Mr. Intim, some Land Council for the respondent.
1 and 2. 1 and
Respondent number 1.
1 and 2.
1 and 2 is present staff. Is prayed for by the Land Council for the petition at least this matter after
3 weeks, lordship.
3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item number 10.
10.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, if 2 weeks time may be granted to file affidavit of for service. And as per the last order,
Substitute steps on the substitute application.
yes, lordship.
What is your prayer now?
Lordship, to file affidavit of service, lordship.
Okay. Mr.
Chupanangam.
Land Council for the petitioner. Prays for how much time?
2 weeks, lordship.
3 weeks time.
2 weeks, lordship.
2 weeks time to file affidavit in service. Affidavit of
Service, lordship.
service. For that you want require 2 weeks.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, lordship.
May it please, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, in item 3, I am yet to file my affidavit in reply. I may be kindly granted 4 weeks, lordship, to file the same, lordship.
Mr. Santianger, Land Council for the petitioner, prays for 4 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
May it please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 21.
Yes.
I am the applicant, appearing on behalf of my colleague Preketono, who is indisposed. So I pray this honorable court to grant me 4 weeks time.
You are Mr.
KKK, appearing on behalf of my colleague Preketono.
Oh. Submits that his senior Mr. Craig Tony is indisposed and prays for listing this matter after
4 weeks.
4 weeks. The prayers are allowed. The prayer is allowed. Okay. List this matter after 4 weeks. Mr. Ngami, Land Council, appear on behalf of
The state.
the state. Huh? Okay.
Obliged, Lord.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, item number 4. State is respondent number 6 and 7, Lordship.
In that list is matter after 4 weeks, huh? Okay. The item,
Item number 4, Lordship.
item 4.
Yes, state.
There also you have not yet filed or affidavit.
Yes, so can you grant, yet to receive instruction, so can you grant 3 weeks time, Lordship? I'm submitting on behalf of Mr. Tiba, my colleague, Lordship.
You are Mr.
Manjong appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. Ezimon.
Okay. Appear on behalf of Mr. Senior is Ezimomi. Okay. Learned counsel for the petitioner staff. Mr. Angami appearing on behalf of Tiba from Learned counsel for the Learned state respondent.
6 and 3 weeks time, Lordship. 3 weeks time, Lordship.
Praise for further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, interim may be allowed to continue.
The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks. Stop. Para. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
For admission, item number 6.
Item number 6 not mentioned.
No,
I thought someone mentioned. Okay. So affidavit and reply.
Yes, I'm told that, Lordship,
file.
yes, affidavit in opposition has been filed
Yes.
by the state.
Earlier he prayed for probably to file affidavit in reply.
Yes, my lord.
Not yet filed.
Not yet filed, I guess, my lord.
The petitioner has not yet filed affidavit in reply. Mr. Angamilari, counsel for the state respondent, he is present. Staff. So I think in the earlier occasion also the petitioner remained absent.
Yes, Lordship, in fact, they were present in the court this morning and then they said that they will pray for the matter, but I
No. I think he has been. What is this matter?
Lordship, actually, this matter is handled by Avitole. But she has informed me that she has already filed an affidavit.
No. So how many days? (11-3) non-appears for the petitioner. What is this matter? No one appears. None appears for the petitioner on call. As per the record, the petitioner as per the record, on 9/2/2024, the petitioner prayed for granting 4 weeks time for filing rejoinder affidavit. However, thereafter, the petitioner remained absent on 11/3/2024, 2/4/2024, 25/4/2024, 13/5/2024, and today. It appears that from the above, it appears that the petitioner is no longer interested to pursue this matter. In view of the above, this writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Okay.
Lordship. Obliged, my lord.
For admission, item number 8.
Okay, 7 mentioned, no? It was 7. Yes.
Please, my lord, here the petitioner spring for bail for releasing the accused person on bail.
Yes. What is the status? The stays in the trial court?
No, my lord, till now CC has not yet been conducted, lordship.
But it appears that you did not appear. The
Lordship,
accused did not appear. Accused did not engage. The advocate also.
lordship, in this matter,
Ah.
initially there was one advocate, but then after the first hearing of the bail application,
Ah.
the client had again approached me
Ah.
for continuation of this.
Yes.
So during that period of time, since I was not informed by my client,
Ah.
I could not able to appear on the first day.
Ah.
But then thereafter that I have attended. So that was the communication gap.
No, thereafter, long back, it was fixed for the consideration on framing of charge.
Lordship, thereafter consideration of charge was fixed. However, on that day, I've prayed for filing one application.
Discharge.
Yes, but then I've approached the court and then I've conveyed to them that I could not able to file the discharge, so I like to continue the CC. So thereafter that CC has not yet been that has not yet been fixed, lordship.
Now here it appears that from the record, the Assam Rifle, the Lane Trial Court also recorded that the Assam Rifle Authority has attempted to influence the complainant to withdraw the FIR also. There is a trouble.
No,
In that case,
lordship, I think that was the submission made by the learned EPP during the time of the subsequent bail
it was
application.
matter of record. This says matter of record.
Okay, lordship. However, nothing such incident happened for withdrawing the.
It's not a submission.
Yes.
It is a matter of record.
Yes.
The court observed. And because probably they approached, the authority have approached the victim family, then in that case it will be trouble. It will be better if we just pray for the court to expedite the trial, appear, and after immediate, because nothing has been changed thereafter.
Yes.
Learned PP also yesterday submitted that nothing has been changed thereafter because your bail was rejected earlier. Earlier rejected once, and next on 15 February also your bail was rejected. And this is the third, I think, the bail application.
Yes, yes.
So, but then from the second bail application, which was rejected by passing a region order by the trial court, so nothing has been changed, it appears. So thereafter, the case was fixed for framing of charge against the accused.
Yes, Lord.
Advocate did not appear.
Yes, yes.
And the court also clearly observed that it was not on the fault of the court, but it was on the fault of the accused. Earlier he did not engage also, and then engage also once probably not appeared. And if he has a trouble, then he could also inform the court. The court could also provide the state defense, or could also appear, or could also approach the legal services authority for providing a defense.
Yes.
Legal aid counsels, but then he has not done that. And probably he wanted to engage, and then of course, so he has engaged you also. So, okay.
Lordship,
Mr. You are Mr. Toshitimjan Pongner, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Also had Mr. Kiangami. So yeah, I think your submission, yesterday's submission? Yes.
Lordship, if that is the condition, let the matter be come up after 2 weeks. In the meantime, let the CC be conducted, Lordship.
It will be difficult. So pendency, will create trouble for you rather, because this bail application is not going to change. And after the framing of charge, and after, of course, examining the victim, then the status of the case will be changed. You will have a reason.
Yes, Lordship,
you
that
have-
is why what I wanted to approach before this court is that during the pendency of the case, if the CC can be taken up and then if the trial could
Now, in
expedite
that case,
the-
you have to file fresh application. That will be better for you because now in this bail application, at the time of filing this bail application, nothing has changed. I've also heard Mr. K. Angami, Lani Public Prosecutor, Nagaland staff. This is an application. Just a minute. Earlier, the petitioner filed bail application before the trial court twice, and both the bail applications for his release were rejected. Stop. And this is the third bail application, third subsequent bail application under Section 439 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, praying for release of the accused Aziz Pathan, alias Pathan Aziz, R stroke, capital R stroke, number 5019427, who has been arrested by the Kipire volunteer. Arrested by the Kipire police only?
Yes.
Women police.
Yes.
In connection with 00123. No. We were Kipire Women PS case number 001-2023 under section 376 within bracket 2 within bracket C within bracket L bracket close within bracket 3 IPC read with section 610 of POCSO Act in correspondence with GR 21-2023. Staff. What is your submission, you said?
My lord, my submission is that the petitioner has been in the judicial custody for more than 282 days, Lordship. And then, my lord, the petitioner is suffering from severe chronic liver disease, Lordship. And then my condition is that as per the report, which was taken up by the medical.
Okay. Lord Counsel for the petitioner submits that the accused was arrested on, the accused was arrested on, when he was arrested?
26/2023.
Okay, 2023.
My lord, if this honorable court allows it, I would also like to give one the session which was
Yes, what is
also
that?
passed.
In connection with the above woman PS case number 01-2023. What is this?
My lord, in this matter, this honorable court has also passed an order dated 11/4/2023. My lord, may kindly see at para 9, which was passed by this honorable court, bail application 5/2023. Para 9. On close scrutiny of the medical report of the victim, the report does not depict of any recent intercourse having been had by the victim.
No. That is different. Here is a case where there is an eyewitness also.
Yes, Lord.
Here in this case, there is an eyewitness also.
My lord may also kindly see the that second which I've given you,
Yes, what is this?
Guwahati High Court
Yes.
is my lord, it's second para. Heard Mr. So learned counsel for the accused petitioner as well as Mr. So learned for the state respondent. Bears the petition as well as annexure furnished. Also bears the scanned copies of the record as called for and made available to this court, including the statement of the victim, recorded under Section 164 CRBC. Although the case has been registered under Section so and so prima facie, it appears that the offense alleged by the victim in her statement under Section 164 CRBC falls under Section 7, punishable under Section 8 of the POCSO Act. The accused petitioner had been into custody since 1/10/2018. As such, for a long period of 136 days as on date. Considering the facts appearing from the material in the record, including the statement of the victim, further custodial detention of the accused petitioner for the purpose of the trial is not necessary.
Okay. In connection with women PS case number. And since then, he has been in custody for how many days you said?
Till the filing, it is already 282 days till the filing of this writ petition.
For more than 282 days.
Yes.
As on at the time of filing of this bail petition. Stop. It is further submitted that since the case has already been charge sheeted and is pending before the trial court for CC, consideration of charge, the further detention of the accused is no longer required in this case. So, moreover, the accused is a chronic
liver disease, Lordship.
Has a chronic liver disease. You have annexed any documents?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
Liver
may kindly
disease?
see.
And pray for release of the accused on health ground also. Stop. The Lanet people produce a scanned copy of the case record, and I peruse the same. Stop. That is para. Okay. I've also perused. Okay, peruse the record. Stop. The record reveals that the case is pending before the trial court for consideration of charge. However, due to non-engagement of the advocates by the accused, the case had to adjourn on more than one occasion. Stop. The learned PP submits that in the instant case, during the pendency, submits that during the pendency of, so during the investigation and investigation period, the Assam Rifle Authority had attempted to influence the complainant, informant, pressurizing them to withdraw the FIR. And in view of the above, and as the informant and the family are from the poor family, there exists a high likelihood, there is a likelihood of the prosecution witnesses, including the victim, being influenced if the accused is released on bail. Stop the Lana PP for the Lana PP brought to the notice of this court. The Lana PP. The notice of court, the order of the Lana trial court passed in bail application. The bail order dated 15/2/2024 passed by the Lana trial court, wherein the Lana trial court, while rejecting the bail filed by file for release of the accused, has observed that it is also observed that within inverted comma, it is also a matter of record that the Assam Rifle Authority has attempted to influence the complainant to withdraw the FIR at the initial stage, and there are high chances that in the event of the accused being released on bail, there is very likelihood of the victim and other prosecution witnesses being influenced or threatened. Inverted comma close. Stop. Para, in view of the above, and considering the gravity of offense alleged to have been committed by the accused, and the gravity of the offense involved, and the material found against the accused, and also in view of the fact that the Assam Rifle Authority has attempted to influence the informant to withdraw the FIR, and that there is likelihood of the accused the likelihood of the prosecution witnesses including the victim being influenced, if in the event of the accused being released on bail, I am of the opinion that the interests of the victim need to be protected from all influence in order to allow her to give evidence without fear and without being influenced from any corner. Stop. Accordingly, therefore, in view of the above, I am not inclined to grant bail to the accused. At least, at this stage, stop. At this stage, at least till the evidence of the victim is recorded. Stop. Accordingly, this bail application stands rejected. However, the learned trial court shall expedite the trial of the case. So if the charge is framed, if the victim is, the evidence of the victim is recorded, then you can come. Now there is no danger. Since the victim has already been released on bail, victim has already been examined, there is no chance of any influence because there is indication that there is a chance of influence. Okay.
Much obliged.
So you, the records, you want to retain?
Lordship, I think that is scanned. So
Scan copy,
yes.
not necessary.
Not necessary.
Okay. Okay. Done. Okay.
Ini aku ina give me the transfer money.
Arekado itu mah nukul lagi mana sih? Itu lalu mau ngatur dalam ini.